In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect data into Google Sheets from Google Forms. Let's dive right in and streamline the way you collect and view your data. First, you'll want to start by creating your Google form. This is the foundation where the magic begins. Head over to Google Forms and set up your form by entering your questions, options, and any required fields you need your respondents to fill out. You can add different types of questions, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, short answers, or even a linear scale, depending on the kind of data you want to collect. Take a moment here to customize the form's appearance if you like. It can make filling it out more pleasant for your respondents. Once your form is complete, and you're satisfied with how it looks, the next step is to facilitate data collection effectively. You do this by navigating to the Responses tab, which can be found at the top of your form editor. This tab is instrumental because it will display the answers you receive once people start submitting your form. Now, here's where we really leverage the power of Google Sheets to organize and manage your data efficiently. Within the Responses tab, you'll find an option labeled Link to Sheets. By clicking on it, Google Forms will create a new spreadsheet in Google Sheets that links directly with your form. This connection is pivotal because it means that every time someone submits a response on your form, their data will automatically populate into this sheet, eliminating the need for manual data entry. To ensure everything is set up correctly, let's go ahead and test our form. Take a moment to fill it out yourself, as if you were a respondent. This is a great way to check that all your questions are working as intended and that nothing crucial has been overlooked. Once you've answered your own form, you'll want to verify the integration is functioning as expected. Open up the related Google Sheet that was created when you linked your form. Instantly, you should see your test response appear as a new row in this sheet. It will be neatly organized, with each question's answer placed in its corresponding column, simplifying data analysis and interpretation. This immediate synchronization is one of the fantastic benefits of using Google Sheets with Google Forms. Your data is always up to date without any extra work on your part. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a seamless data collection system using Google Forms and Google Sheets. This setup not only saves you time, but also reduces the potential for errors associated with manual data entry. I hope this tutorial empowers you to efficiently gather and analyze data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.